Okay, sir. Most welcome. Let's see what all there is. You guys name, because we must have more women in the executive committee. Thank you very much, SCBA, for convening this very important camp and for inviting my colleagues and me to be here this morning. This is a very important camp. It's not just one of those things that you do once in a year. Because one problem with our lives, whether you are lawyers, judges, is that we have no time for ourselves. We wake up in the morning and our life is only centered around, what cases we have for us to read, to write judgments, for all of you to get ready for court, pull your briefs out, maybe something which has come in a little late, an urgent listing to be done for a client. So this leaves us very little time for ourselves as lawyers. And I think by having this camp, we are emphasizing the need for holistic living by lawyers. Not just in terms of, the equipment which we have today. We have 2 vans which have come in. I'm very, very happy that, the Rajiv Gandhi Cancer Institute is collaborating. All these very eminent doctors from the city are here spending their valuable time. And I would only appeal to all the members of the bar to make the full use of their presence here. The idea is really to spread this awareness. So through you, we'll be spreading awareness to your friends, to your families, to everyone at home, to everyone in our surroundings, which is very, very important. We are also upgrading, as you know, we have been constantly upgrading our clinic in the Supreme Court. We have installed defibrillators, we have trained people, and there will be many more happy announcements coming your way, hopefully very soon. But I will also invite all of you to make holistic living a part of your life. We must have regular yoga for our lawyers, for your clerks, for your juniors, because particularly for your juniors who are very young. So, it's important that we teach them the good values of life in terms of, looking after yourself and making sure that, you spend time eating well, speaking well, thinking well, because being calm in the mind is very important to have a good life in terms of a healthy life. Something which is very difficult for lawyers because all of us lead very stressful lives. And ultimately stress gets the better of you. So it's important for us constantly to tell yourself, what is the worth of all this if I'm not enjoying my work? What is the worth of all this that I'm doing? It's not here just that you come here for professional success, for earning more and more money. Ultimately, it's not worth it at all if you don't have happiness in your own personal life. So I hope that this camp will be one of those moments where we reflect on ourselves, take the benefit of all these modern medicine technologies that you have today. When our grandparents were growing up or they were living, my parents, we didn't have the benefit of all this technology and this learning and knowledge in the medical profession. So please take the full use of all this and make this as a part of a continuing mission for the rest of the year and not just for one day. Thank you for inviting me, and my very deep gratitude to all the doctors, the support staff who have come here, including the drivers of your vans, all those who are maintaining your vans. They have an equally important role to play, as well as my support staff of the registry. Thank you.
Thank you so much.